Alright, David, here's your roar whirligig kit. Got a figure all painted. There we go. I'll give you a good look at that gearbox. How I got it set up. It's a little bit tilted to the right. You want to look at it from this angle and make sure that gold colored gear, the top gear, is riding right over the top of that silver colored gear. It's got a kind of a sweet spot in there. The other thing I wanted to say was you might play around with moving these oars in and out. Just loosen up the set screw and make sure that these things are, these hands move easily on the oars. They're not not like that one. It should move really easily. There's a little bit of a, I think it has to lift up that body right here in this spot, so it's a little bit slow right here, but once it gets past that, it's fine. So, all right, looking good. I'll get a good look at the face. Hey, I got a lot. It looks really weather beaten. There's quite a bit of red on there. I carved that pipe out of one piece of wood this time. It's a lot harder to do it that way. But anyway, it's looking good. Get this in, packed up, and have yourself a roar whirligig. Thanks for stopping by. I sure appreciate it. Want to say anything, Bird? Want to say bye-bye? Say it. Bye-bye. Say it. We gotta go. Come on. Bye-bye.